Pandora Camper Pro. Let's pair a new remote control. First, locate the LED valet button inside your vehicle. You'll also need access to the RFM module. Make sure you have your Pandora user card ready. Use the valet button to enter the PIN code from the card. Press the valet button once to enter level 1. To delete the previous remote, press and hold the valet button until you hear 3 beeps. Green light appears, then press the valet button again to exit level 1. Now, press the button on the RFM module. Switch on the remote control. Press and hold 3 buttons on the remote simultaneously for 1 second. You need to hear a confirmation sound. Then, press the RFM module button once more to start Bluetooth pairing. Successful pairing is confirmed by a blink and a beep from the remote. To exit pairing mode, simply turn the ignition on and then off. Test the remote to confirm it's working correctly. That's it. Pairing complete.